Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support, and I understand that you're having a problem with the Booty Snapchat, uh, you know, input. And if I go into your video, I can see that you're trying to click on this, and it's not allowing you to click on it. So I'm just gonna go back again. You're trying to click on it, and it's not clicking. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I have been able to do. When I go to this is exactly where you're clicking. Boom. So I can say it is working, right? Akram school at gmail.com. Boom, right? So it's working for me. And yeah, can let me know um, if this answers your question. But for me, it's working. So I recommend you just clear your cache and your cookies. So go ahead and do that. Clear your cache and your cookies, um, and it should work because it's working on my own side. So you see, it even takes me to the next page. See? All right. So let me know. Bye for now.